Hello, good day everyone. Myself, Dr. Archie from the Sri Anand Nursing Institute of the Rajkot, second year MS student. Today I am going to present and discuss with you about the very important topic according to current situation. Okay, so as you know all that we are celebrating the breastfeeding week. Okay, so it's a part of that. I am going to discuss about the breastfeeding and the COVID-19. So today biggest question is if mother having a corona positive, then she can give the breastfeed to baby or not. Yes, so your all answer in my this audio, so you can get all the mind clear. Before the discussion of the corona and breastfeeding connection, I want to introduce the importance of the breastfeeding. So afterward, we can easily choose the answer yes or no. Okay. The breastfeeding is the cornerstone of an infant and young child survival, nutrition and the development and mental health. The World Health Organization WHO recommended the exclusive breastfeeding, and you know what is the exclusive breastfeeding? Breastfeeding, that means not even a single drop of water you can give up to the 6 months, followed by the continued breastfeeding with the appropriate complementary foods for up to the 2 years and beyond. Early and the uninterrupted skin to skin contact, rooming in, and the kangaroo mother care also a significant improve the neonatal survival and the reduce morbidity are recommended by WHO. Okay, so now we start our discussion like mother can give the feeding or not. So at the present data are not sufficient to conclude the vertical transmission of the COVID-19 through the breastfeeding. In the infant, the risk of the COVID-19 infection is low. The infection is a typically mild or asymptomatic, while the consequences of not breastfeeding and the separation between the mother and child can be significant. At this point, it appears that the COVID-19 in the infant and the children represent a much lower threat to survival and the health than other infections that breastfeeding is a protective against. Rise infection. Currently, the Public Health Agency of the Canada and the WHO recommended that the mother with the suspected or prone the COVID-19 continue to breastfeed. Yes, mother can give the breastfeeding. The US Center for the Disease Control CDC recommend that mother and their health care provider discuss the benefits and the risks of the breastfeeding given the uncertainty around the transmission of the COVID and come to said decision. The current evidence available to inform decision making is limited. Although, if mother is to seek to breastfeed due to the COVID-19 or other complications, she should be encouraged and support to express the milk. Pumped breast milk can be safely and supplied to the infant as long as appropriate local infection and control guidelines are followed. At this important point, the primary concern is that the virus will be transmitted from the mother to infant through a respiratory droplet during the breastfeeding. Women who choose to breastfeed should wear a mask and wash their hands prior to placing the infant on the breast. If they have recently coughed as an added precaution, they should cleanse their breast area with the soap and water before feeding. Mother may also choose to pump the ensuring that they wash their hands and clean all the equipment and then feed the infant expressed breast milk at home. Frequently touch household surface should also be disinfected regularly. Symptomatic individuals should not be allowed to visit with the mother and baby. If a mother is to seek to breastfeed due to the COVID-19 or other complications, she should be encouraged and supported to express the milk. Pumped breast milk can safely be supplied to the infant as long as appropriate local infection prevention control guidelines are followed. If individual IPC policy prevent the NICU visitation by the mother with the suspected or the proven COVID-19, those mothers should be encouraged to pump at the home and provide the expressed breast milk to the NICU. Mothers should pump the frequently at home with a view towards achieving a successful breastfeeding once she is able to visit her baby. Okay, so end of this whole discussion, the final conclusion is yes, mother can give the breastfeeding to the baby if mother is having a positive COVID-19. But some precaution must be taken. So at lastly, I want to drop one message to everyone who is listening and seeing this video is the breastfeeding is always not easy, but it is always worth it. Thank you.